Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into the complex and fascinating world of sex, sexuality, and sexual orientations. These concepts are deeply personal and play a significant role in shaping who we are. Sex refers to the biological characteristics that define humans as male, female, or intersex. This includes chromosomes, hormones, and reproductive anatomy. Sexuality is a broad term that encompasses a person's sexual feelings, thoughts, attractions, and behaviors toward others. It's a core part of who we are as individuals. Sexuality is influenced by a combination of biology, environment, culture, and personal experiences. Sexual orientation refers to a person's enduring physical, romantic, or emotional attraction to others. The common sexual orientations are as follows. 1. Heterosexual. Attraction to the opposite gender. 2. Homosexual. Attraction to the same gender, gay or lesbian. 3. Bisexual. Attraction to more than one gender. 4. Pansexual. Attraction regardless of gender. 5. Asexual. Little or no sexual attraction to others. 6. Demisexual, sexual attraction only after forming a strong emotional bond. 7. Queer, an umbrella term for non-heterosexual orientations. Welcome to the video.
We are all unique individuals, each with our own experiences, perspectives, and identities. This includes our understanding of sex, sexuality, and sexual orientation. These topics are complex but essential aspects of who we are. Let's explore these concepts with an open mind and a compassionate heart. We will discover the beauty of diversity and appreciate the richness it brings. By fostering open dialogue, we can create a more inclusive world. Let's embark on this journey together with open hearts and minds. Sex is often understood in biological terms, typically categorized as male, female, or intersex. This categorization is often based on physical characteristics like chromosomes, hormones, and reproductive organs. However, it's crucial to remember that human biology is diverse and doesn't always fit neatly into these categories. Intersex individuals are born with variations in their sex characteristics that don't align with typical definitions of male or female. Recognizing intersex individuals highlights the complexity of biological sex and challenges the notion of a strict binary system. It's essential to approach these discussions with sensitivity and respect, as intersex individuals have historically faced stigma and discrimination. Biological sex is just one aspect of a person's identity. Understanding the nuances of biological sex helps us move beyond simplistic definitions and appreciate the diversity of human experiences. By acknowledging the spectrum of biological sex, we can create a more inclusive and understanding society for everyone. While sex and gender are often used interchangeably, they are distinct concepts. Sex, as discussed, refers to biological attributes. Gender, on the other hand, is a social construct that encompasses roles, behaviors, expressions, and identities. It's about how individuals perceive and express themselves within a social context. Gender identity is a person's deeply felt sense of being male, female, a blend of both or neither. This internal experience may or may not align with the sex they were assigned at birth. Transgender individuals, for instance, identify with a gender different from their assigned sex. Gender expression refers to how individuals outwardly present their gender through clothing, mannerisms, hairstyles, and other forms of expression. Understanding the distinction between sex and gender is crucial for promoting inclusivity and respect for everyone. Sexuality is a broad term encompassing our sexual feelings, attractions, behaviors, and identities. It's a fundamental aspect of being human, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and interactions with others. Sexuality is influenced by a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and social factors. Emotionally, sexuality involves feelings of attraction, desire, intimacy, and love. Physically, it encompasses sexual responses, behaviors, and pleasure. Psychologically, sexuality shapes our self-perception, relationships, and overall well-being. It's important to recognize that sexuality is experienced and expressed in diverse ways, and there's no single right way to be sexual. Sexuality can be expressed through various forms of intimacy, including physical touch, emotional connection, and shared experiences. Understanding sexuality as a multifaceted spectrum allows us to embrace the diversity of human experiences and create a more inclusive and accepting society. Sexuality is not always fixed or static. It can be fluid and evolve over time. This fluidity can manifest as changes in attractions, desires, behaviors, or identities. For some, sexuality might be stable throughout their lives, while for others, it might be a journey of exploration and self-discovery. Various factors can influence the fluidity of sexuality, including life experiences, relationships, cultural shifts, and personal growth. For example, individuals might experience shifts in their attractions or desires as they encounter new relationships or explore different aspects of their identities. It's important to recognize that there's no right or wrong way to experience fluidity in sexuality. Some individuals might embrace and openly explore their evolving attractions, while others might find it challenging or confusing. Creating a supportive and non-judgmental environment is crucial for individuals to navigate their sexual journeys authentically. Understanding and accepting the fluidity of sexuality allows us to approach these conversations with greater empathy and understanding. This exploration of sex, sexuality, and sexual orientation highlights the incredible diversity of human experiences. It underscores the importance of respect, understanding, and acceptance for everyone, regardless of their biological sex, gender identity, or sexual orientation. Creating an inclusive society requires challenging stereotypes, dismantling prejudice, and promoting empathy. It's about recognizing that everyone deserves to live authentically, free from discrimination or judgment. Share this knowledge with others, challenge misconceptions, and advocate for a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued for who they truly are. Remember, diversity is not just something to be tolerated, it's something to be celebrated.
Sex is biological, sexuality is personal, and sexual orientations are diverse and valid. Let's celebrate diversity and strive for a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and accepted for who they are. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and share it with others to spread awareness and understanding.